In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up custom fields in Insightly. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to create a custom field, where to find the settings, and how to make sure your new field appears on the right records, like your contacts. Let's start inside your Insightly account. First, look toward the top right corner of your screen for your profile icon. This is usually the place where you access your personal and account-wide settings. Go ahead and click that profile icon, and from the menu that appears, choose System Settings. This is where all the behind-the-scenes configuration for your Insightly account lives, and it's the area you'll use anytime you want to customize how your data is stored. Once you're in System Settings, find and select Objects and Fields. Think of objects as the different types of records Insightly can store, like contacts, organizations, opportunities, or projects. Here, you're telling Insightly which kind of record you want to enhance with a custom field. For example, if you want to track an extra detail for people you work with, you might select the Contacts object. Click on the object that makes the most sense for the data you want to capture. After selecting your object, look for an option called Object Fields. This is the area where all existing fields for that object are listed, including both standard fields that Insightly provides and any custom ones you or your team have already created. To add something new, click on New Field. This will start the process of defining exactly what kind of information you want to store. Next, you'll choose the field type. Insightly offers several options, such as a text field for short written information or a drop-down for a predefined list of choices. Pick the field type that best matches the data you plan to collect. For example, if you want users to select from a small number of consistent options, a drop-down is usually better than free text. Once you've chosen the type, click Next to move forward. Now it's time to enter your field label. This is the name that will appear on your records, so make it clear and specific, like preferred contact method or account tier, rather than something vague. When you're happy with the label and any other options on the screen, click Save. Your new custom field is now created and will be available on the object you selected, ready for you and your team to start using in Insightly.